Okay, it's May 3rd, 2017, about 7 o'clock in the evening in Idaho here. I'm demoing a Karnivor Pro Edition. As you can see, it's got actually a SL7745 on the back. That's set about 400 to 450 psi. And here's the serial number. I haven't been able to detect any leaks, any air leaks or anything on this. My ears aren't the best, but like I said, it's been pretty good. I'm using the shaft 4 barrel only because it's a 680 and the paint I've got is that small. Here is the original barrel. It's a 689. I've never used it. I've only put it on to show the marker off. And as you can see, it is, I don't think it's got a mark on it. And it shows 689 right here. Yeah, I'm using some Chinese paint, WPN Killer Bees. It's not the most standard paint out there. I wish I could get some graffiti or redemption, but any velocity variance is probably because of the paint. Using Aspire, just because that's what I have. Let's take a look here. I fired some test shots over the chronograph. Let's see, is everything on? There we go. Okay, turning that on right there. It's on PSP mode, but I have it limited down to about 10 shots a second. I last used this in UPL in Vegas, so that they're using a 10 shots a second, so I had to turn it down. It'll actually go quite a bit faster than that. Let's take a look at what it's shooting now. 289, 282, and I better turn on my Spire. Okay. That was to load it. 284. Tight one. With good paint, the variance is about plus or minus 4. It's swinging a little bit more now. Yeah, you know where that one came from. As it rolled down the barrel. So you can see it's not doing too bad. Let's see if we can get it to ramp here. And 9.1, which was about, might have to set it up to do a little bit higher, but you can see the average was 279 out of that stream. I think I shot about 32, it said. Let's do another string here. 291, 282. Okay. That was good. 15 at 280. That was only 6.6 because I hit my chronograph. It splattered everything. Uh, 8.2 balls a second at average of 280. That should do just about good on about any place you want to go. It will go up to 300 and shoot about the same. You saw it was spiking. It spiked a couple times up to 292, so maybe up to 290 and Hope you don't get an extra tight bore of paint. So anyway, shooting video. Looks and sounds good. 279, 8.4 balls a second.